Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can generate a video from an image that you've taken using Google Flow. So I have some pictures here of a dog and cat. As you can see, they were taken on my phone, and let's say I'd like to bring them to life. What I can do is I can click on this context menu by hovering over the ingredient that I've uploaded and clicking on Animate. Although this one is in the wrong orientation, but I'll fix that in just a moment. So let's start with the picture of the cat. I'm going to click on the context menu, then I'm going to click on Animate. So here it brings up the video generation prompt, and let's say I want to see the cat wake up and bounce away from the camera. I'm also going to be changing the video model to the light model. That way I get to save on credits, since this is a fairly straightforward animation. So by doing this, you're going to set a starting frame for the video generation, and you can also set an ending frame, but that's more suitable for different kinds of videos. Anyway, I'm pretty satisfied with the prompt, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on send. Now it's going to take a few minutes to generate, and I'll be back once it's done. So the videos are finished generating, and let's go ahead and give them a watch. Pretty good so far. Pretty much exactly what I had in mind. And how about the other one? Oh, this one is a little more rough. You can see his head suddenly teleported to the bottom of his body. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete that video. So that's how you can generate a video, how you can animate a picture using Google Flow. It's really simple and really easy, and Google has done a good job of developing this tool, which is very intuitive to use. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.